Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial, guys, I'll show you to set up Siri on your um, iPad. Of course, it's an iPad A16, doesn't matter the version, it will simply work. All right, so we're going to go to settings. All right, so once you're on the settings as seen here, you're going to go to Siri. All right, so once you're here, you'll see it's off, and you can see here it says talk to is off in terms of requests. So sometimes you might see that it's not set up, so you'll have to tap to turn on. It shows you the voice there, shows you some bunch of information here you can actually customize. All right, so it says talk to Siri for requests is on. All right, so here you can actually turn on the voice command, meaning you can say either here, so I'm going to set those. So it says it sends information like your voice input and contacts location to Apple to process your request. So this is just to make sure that you understand. So go ahead and enable. All right, so here it's running you through the setup. So you're going to simply go ahead and hit continue. Hey Siri, how is the weather? All right, you're going to keep doing these. Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a time for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Last one. Siri, play some music. All right, so it says it's ready. So once it's ready, as you've seen here, go ahead and hit done. And it will give you some stuff about improving dictation. Here, I usually say not now. And there it's now on. And it gives you an option here so that you can press a button, but it's not necessary. But if you want to press the main button to activate, you can turn that on. All right. Hey Siri, what time is it? Hey Siri. What day is today? All right. So you get the idea. So it's there, or you can activate it by the button. All right. So that's how you do it. If you want to turn it off, go to settings. And on the settings, you can go back, and it's very easy to turn it off. Right here where it says talk to, you're going to tap, and you're going to turn from here and set it to off again. And here it will warn you that the information it uses to respond to requests will be removed from your Apple servers. If you want Siri to later, it will take some time to resend the information. All right, you can actually turn it off if you're not using it. It's up to you if you want to turn it off. All right, and you can test if it's off. Hey Siri, see, it's now off. All right, so you can keep it on in your case. It's up to you what you want to do. But if you want to turn it on, that's how you turn it on, and how to turn it off as well. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.